Lionel Messi has splurged $200,000 on 35 customized gold iPhones for his World Cup winning teammates. Each phone will be etched with the name and number of the squad member. That's not a bad gift.
Eh?
$200,000 on 35 is not bad. No,
That's not bad.
that's actually not a bad deal. If these are gold, right?
Uh-huh.
Customized gold. Look at the cases that they come in. So you have that. What is it? What is the process that they're getting the gold on there? It's gold plated, really, is what it is.
Is it? Yeah, I guess
it's
so.
gold
It
plated.
can't be- yeah.
No, it's gold plated. I just was looking
pure
for the
gold.
word plated. With news of Messi getting acquainted with Saudi Arabia, the Argentina captain is already displaying gestures of wealth. The 7-time Ballon d'Or winner wanted to celebrate the iconic World Cup win with his colleagues and staff, certainly made them an unforgettable memento by spending more than $200,000 on gold iPhones for his teammates. 35 iPhones made entirely from gold were made by iDesign Gold, a company specializing in customized gold phones. So you can see you can stamp in the team logo, World Cup champions, the name, and the number is in there as well. You know, it's the real deal stuff because you have the badge of the company down at the very bottom. Based on the iPhone 14 Pro model, each device features the Argentina national football team emblem with the world's World Cup World Champions 2022 and details like the player's name and shirt number. The CEO of iDesign Gold, Ben Lyons, shared Lionel is not only the GOAT, but one of iDesign's Gold's most loyal customers. So I guess he purchased these things before in the past. Where do you draw the line? I mean, you got to get for the teammates. Does the coach get one? What about the other staff? Where do you draw the line? 35?
I would say the players and the coach and the assistant coaches.
Nice.
Yeah.
What about the training staff?
No.
Hey,
You're asking me to draw the line.
what about the massage guy when he got the tight quad? He had the tight quad going on, and then the guy went in there. He dug in there. He doesn't get a gold phone.
They get the SE.
And it's silver plated instead of gold.
This is kind of cool, but is this is gonna wear off fast, right? The iPhone 13,
14.
14.
Yeah, I don't even think they'll use it, really. I think it kind of stays in its case. You put it... I mean, maybe some will use it for a bit, but then eventually it's a collector's thing. Because Messi gave it to you.
It's like, no, I'm Android.
Yeah. It's like, put it straight on eBay. Messi's like, what the hell, man? It's one of a kind. I got these made.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't. You're going to get on Messi. You don't want to be on Messi's bad side.
You don't want to mess with
Messi. No, you don't want to do it. So don't put it on eBay, guys. You better enjoy this thing. Don't put it on eBay.